working on.
She asked her mother for aloe vera, to cool the burn, to cool the burn
for the
all over her buns.
Ease the pain.
Let's do that.
Alright, it was insane.
Are you all set, Jim?
Emily went to the beach and burned her buns, cause they were out of reach.
They burned so bad.
She asked her mother for aloe vera. What comes next?
But she was scaring me.
No.
It's something about pain.
Right. Now I'll catch you
Later. They burned so bad, they touched the skies.
No, it's not how it goes.
Come back to the
They
alive.
burned so bad, they scarred her.
God.
Skin.
Yay. It was something about pain or something.
Lightly toasted.
Like, oh yeah, we gotta get that in there. She was so upset, because she only wanted her skin to be lightly toasted.
Okay,
But it was a full-on 4-degree.
Hold on, let me memo record it. Hold on, wait.
Wait, I'm already doing this right now. Okay, what do you mean?
Oh, Emily went to the beach and burned her buns. They were out of reach.
This did not happen.
Her mother for aloe vera. That's where you get lost.
Something about I'll reach you later or something.
Oh, out of reach.
No, we
No,
already know.
I'll talk.
Mother for aloe vera. Because she only wanted that. Because she was in. She had so much pain. It was insane. Okay.
She said, all
because
I
she
got
had
is
so
the
much
lakes, butter.
pain. It was insane. She only wanted them lightly toasted.
Anna,
Oh, she didn't want to get roasted. She only wanted them to be toasted. Lightly.
Is that me? Oh my god.
You having a good time now?
Oh yeah.
You're not going to be able to sit there for much longer, are you? Get up and reapply.
Yeah, that's so me.
Story. Go to the beach. Make sure to reach and reapply.